You know, sometimes you heard the contactor go bzzz. I don't heard that over here. Okay. Uh-oh. I see something, guys, already. Uh-oh. Take a look at that capacitor. But it's not, the contactor's not pulling in. I'm gonna change that capacitor and then we're gonna find out. Change that capacitor. Look at this. All swelled up. And find out why that contactor is not pulling in. And nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. So it's safe for me to start playing with this thing now. What we need over here is 45 5U, 45 and 5 for the fan. So let me get that I use. It's called cleaning dust. You could buy this in the office, Steve, and you could get inside there and look here, you know. See, it's called cleaning dust. You'd be surprised how much pressure this thing got, man. I'm telling you, it lasts you a long time. So, right there. Yeah. It's cheaper too for electronic, you know, computer, electronic, debris, computer. So they make one for this, but it costs about 60 bucks. This one, you pick one, staple for 5 bucks. And it worked nice. Look at how clean the contact came out. So let me replace this capacitor.